Welcome to Ugandan Kitchen in yet another video. Thanks for keeping it on Ugandan Kitchen. Thanks for the love and the support. I appreciate. Today we are making soft garlic naan. This is an Indian recipe. It is an Indian food. So tasty and flavorful. I love Indian food. So today I'm sharing with you how to make soft garlic naan. I used milk, but you can use water. So start by putting water or milk in a bowl and then add to it dry active yeast. Whisk and let the mixture sit for 10 minutes. Make sure the milk is warm, not hot or cold, because that can kill the yeast. Once you are done after 10 minutes, whisk again and then add the rest of the ingredients. Like I listed them up there in the upright corner. I started with the salt and then added an egg, then vegetable oil. Make sure the kind of oil you are using has no smell, because you do not want the garlic naan to pick any other kind of flavor that is not supposed to be there. And then I added to that plain yogurt. It should not be any flavored yogurt, but plain yogurt. Mix all that until everything is mixed well. And then we are going to pour the wet ingredients into flour. Like you can see there, I transferred to a bigger bowl and then started mixing until you form a very nice soft dough that we are going to use to make this soft garlic naan. To my returning subscribers, I'm thankful, I'm grateful. Thanks for the love and support. And if it is your first time on my channel, you are welcome. Kindly help me grow by subscribing, like the video and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about my recipes in the comment section. Once you are done and you have a very nice soft dough that is non-sticky, then transfer it back into the bowl. Cover that with a cling film and let it sit for 40 to 60 minutes. Although time depends on how warm your kitchen is, it can take an hour, 40 minutes. Meanwhile, help me subscribe to my channel. That is my channel right there. Once you type in Ugandan Kitchen, come there and subscribe. Then click on the bell again and turn on your notification. Click on all. That implies you'll get all the notifications whenever I post a new video. Kindly help me like the videos whenever you watch any video. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the videos. If you have tried out any recipe from my channel, help me, give me feedback, because that helps me with YouTube algorithm, which helps my channel to grow. Then here we are going to work on the garlic butter that we are going to brush on top of the naans. I use around 8 tablespoons of butter, but also this depends on the quantity of naans you are making. If you decided to double the recipe, then definitely a lot changes here. Then add your garlic. I used coriander, a pinch of salt, and then you can add a little bit of black pepper if you have. Then put that on heat and let the butter melt until everything is creamy, and then we are going to set that aside for later. You can see how easy it is to follow this recipe and make yourself Indian food at home. You don't have to be at the restaurant all the time for Indian food. You can still make it at home and enjoy it with your family and friends. After 1 hour, like you can see, the dough has doubled in size. So here we remove it and then we are going to knead it for around 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure that you dust with a little bit of flour, and then we are going to make a log that we are going to cut into small pieces. Kindly help me grow by subscribing. It means a lot to my channel. Make sure that you like the video. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about the recipes in the comment section. Make sure that you cut equal pieces such that you get nice sizes, which give a very nice presentation. Like you can see there, you roll them in a ball and then keep them covered aside to prevent the dough from drying on top, because that can ruin your recipe of soft garlic naan. Then dust with a little bit of flour and start rolling. There are 2 ways you can roll. You can roll in a circle or you can roll in an oval shape, whichever works for you. Then meanwhile, make sure that you are preheating your pan already at medium heat. and make sure that it is ready. So once you are done, cook on medium heat until the naan is ready and it is browned on the one side. Then we are going to flip onto the other side and also cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Then we are going to press them aside and then start brushing on top with our garlic naan. Like you can see there, it is now ready. So you put it aside, then brush with the melted garlic butter that we prepared earlier, that we heated, and then you repeat the process with the rest of the naan until you are done and you have yourself Indian food at home served with any stew of your choice. I have plenty of videos I made of different thick stews that you can serve with this garlic naan, including the butter chicken that we know. So you can decide to go the Indian way all through and just prepare the garlic naan with butter chicken, or you can as well have it with chicken tikka masala. Also, you can twist and give it a Ugandan touch by having it with any of our stew, like the beans, peas, chicken, beef, whichever you prefer. Like you can see, they are soft and so yummy. They are flavorful from the garlic. They are soft from the butter that we brushed on top, and they are so yummy. This can as well take you up to like 2 days and they are still in very good shape, and you can enjoy them with your family and friends. We had them with chickpeas curry, just like chapat or paratha. They need thick stew or sauce to go well with them. And here we were having our lunch. It was so yummy and so tasty. Kindly check out all the videos there on my channel, how to make butter chicken, chicken tikka masala, chickpeas curry, and many more other sauce and stews that you can have with this garlic naan that are gluten-free, that are vegan, plant-based, and you will enjoy your meal. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Let me know what you think about my recipes in the comment section. Until next time, thanks for watching.